In this video, I'm going to talk about whether Afterpay is a good option for coaches. If you're offering services like one-on-one sessions, group programs, or digital courses, here's what you need to know. Afterpay can be a great tool for coaches, especially if your services cost a few $100s. It allows clients to split the cost into 4 payments, which makes your offer feel more affordable and accessible without you needing to chase payments. To use Afterpay, you'll need to have a proper checkout system, like WooCommerce, Shopify, or another platform that supports Afterpay integration. Afterpay doesn't work well for manual invoicing or cash apps. One thing to consider is the fee. Afterpay usually takes about 6% per transaction. If your pricing already includes healthy profit margins, that fee might be worth it for the extra sales it brings. Also, keep in mind that Afterpay is best for one-time payments, not recurring subscriptions. If your coaching program has a payment plan, you may want to combine Afterpay with other tools. So yes, Afterpay can work well for coaches if used smartly. If this helped, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching.